4, 3, 2, 1.
Introducing the Robonaut, the future of space development for the ISS.
The Robonaut is made of cloth, metal, and other kind of electronics so that the astronauts can control it.
Robonaut is currently at the NASA Johnson Center.
Though the Robonaut is made up of cloth and metal, it also has sensors on the inside so it can tell where it is going, what it is doing, and what it is interacting with. The astronauts are also wearing visors so they can see what the Robonaut is seeing in case it runs into something important. Also, instead of risking human lives, the Robonaut can also work outside of the ISS because it has special protection.
The research found on the ISS will be used to help make more advanced space equipment in the future so we can do more advanced stuff like going to Mars.
The Robonaut does not only look like a human, it also acts like one. It does tasks on the ISS alongside humans, being the future of space development.
2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end of test.